Material used in food packaging. Properties required. Antimicrobial activity, antioxidant activity, gas barrier CO2, O2. Good thermal properties, good optical properties, strong mechanical properties, environment friendly, vapor barrier, aroma barrier. Types of materials, textiles and wood, metal, glass, flexible films, rigid and semi-rigid plastic containers, paper and board, combined packaging system, active packaging technologies. 1. Textile and wood properties. Textile containers have poor gas and moisture barrier properties. They have a poorer appearance than plastic and are a poor barrier to insects and microorganisms. 2. Metal properties. Metal can withstand high temperature processing and low temperatures. They are impermeable to light moisture, odors and microorganisms to provide total protection to the content. The steel can be recycled by the extraction from solid wastes. 3. Flexible films properties. They have relatively low cost. They can be produced with a range of barrier properties against moisture, odors and glasses. They are heat sealable to prevent leakage of contents and can be laminated to paper, aluminum and other plastics. 4. Glass properties. They are impervious to moisture, gases, odors and microorganisms. They are inert and do not react with or migrate into food products. Glass jar or bottles are made by heating a mixture of sand 73%, silica 99%, CO2. Broken glass or cullet 15–30%, soda ash not 2, company 3, and limestone to a temperature of 1350 to 1600 degrees. 5. Rigid and semi-rigid plastic. They have a lower weight, resulting in saving of up to 40% in transport and distribution costs. Produced at a lower temperature than glass 300 degrees Celsius compared to 800 degrees Celsius and therefore incur lower energy costs. They are tough, unbreakable, impact and pressure resistance, and can mold into a wider range of shapes than glass. 6. Paperboard properties. Paperboard have relatively low cost and is a relatively thicker and heavier material than paper. It is widely used as secondary packaging that is not in direct contact with the food. Boxes, trays and cartons used for shipping. They have poor gas and moisture barrier properties. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.